사람을 사랑하는 데 이유가 필요할까?
These are two snacks for me and for Nikita because he's coming from work now and usually he drinks coffee after work with me. And I today have free time because my last lesson was cancelled, so I can enjoy this beautiful weather now. This our park inside our neighborhood is my favorite place in summer and in spring for reading, but now I'm not going to read because I'm waiting for a taxi. I'm going to a clinic, audio clinic for my hearing gadget. I need to take some new batteries because I'm lack of batteries. It's I think 11 a.m. now. It's the only time when there are no people around, no kids, because usually in the afternoon there are a lot of children playing in the playground. The most favorite smell of all, my favorite smell, is the freshly cut grass. It's now 12 degrees and it may seem that it's not warm enough, but 12 degrees in spring and 12 degrees in autumn is a different story. So yes, in spring, in May, you feel 12 degrees, it's like warm enough. And for example, in October, if it's 12 degrees, it's rather cold. So yes, I think my taxi is coming. To get to this clinic I took taxi, but to get back I'm walking. Decided not to call a taxi because it will be expensive, and now I'm going through the different neighborhoods. It's a school, local school. Children are preparing for upcoming holidays. We have got 4 days of weekends. Tomorrow the 8th of May, then the 9th of May. And then of course Saturday and Sunday. And what I appreciate the most in Togliatti, it's So what I appreciate the most about Togliatti is how it's so greenish. Look, it's the local school and it's so beautiful. Inside there, children are playing happily running around. I don't know how to get through this school, but let's try together. Something is happening here. 2 kids are fighting. You see? but I'm not sure if I could interrupt it or not, but the fight is so strong. Let's go out. Actually, the fight continues, and I'm really worried about those kids. The taller boy has given up. Yeah, that was a real drama. A small one, but real. You know, I really want to drink a good cup of coffee. A really good cup of coffee, but it's hard to find it. It's hard to find any good coffee around our neighborhood, around our district, and it's a real problem for me. I put on the hood because I'm really cold. Look how beautiful in the sunlight this playground is, but in the evening there are a lot of drunk people around. With the sun, everything looks like in a cartoon movie, I would say. If you have ever seen the movies, the cartoons by Hayao Miyazaki, who is my favorite director, I mean anime creator, you have seen such beautiful landscapes in his movies, with everything green, flowered, blooming, and such landscapes here in our city in spring remind me of his works. If you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, please watch Hayao Miyazaki movies. They are really wonderful. I'm just talking about this. It's like a shot from the movie, you see? Blooming tree, a shadow under the tree, dandelions all around. I have just had a last lesson on this week because everybody is going to rest, to relax on upcoming days, and I honestly want so much a good cup of coffee, as I have told you already, and I decided to go just forward to the furthest coffee shop in another district. I have been there several times already, and they make perfect coffee, but I want a cold one, and I hope they make cold coffee already, because some coffee shops haven't started to sell cold drinks, and I want to drink a cold drink for sure. I'm going to talk to you about something important for me. I'm going to talk about my friendships, which honestly I haven't got much of. I see people are risky enough to cross this woods, but there are some dogs, I know, wild dogs, and I'm afraid to go there, but as I see some people going here, I will go too. In winter it's pretty nice here. I like to walk here with Nikita or alone, so it looks abandoned. Okay, I got my coffee. I haven't tested it yet. I'm going to do it together with you, and I got some dessert which is called trifle. walking, I try to tell you my story shortly, my friendship story. Sorry for the cars. I don't understand such people who have very old cars and very noisy. When I moved to Togliatti, it happened 7 or 8 years ago in 2017. Let me count. Okay, this year it will be 8 years. 8 years I've been living here, and of course in the beginning when I moved to Togliatti I had friends, and moreover I had my best friend. Her name is Anna. She's half Russian, half Cuban, and we were like sisters. Honestly, we were so close to each other. We had gone through every difficult situation in life together. She supported me much and I supported her much. She had a friend, Nikita, so my boyfriend Nikita. He sometimes called Anya for a walk, just for a walk, not for relationship, not for a date. I mean, in 2018, Anya and Nikita had time together. And so guys, I arrived home finally, and we stopped at the point where we were three of us, Anya, me and Nikita. We spent much time together. I think we had been gathering for 4 or 5 months. Then in May, suddenly in 2018, I think we became closer with Nikita, much closer than just friends. And in summer later, Anna, found a boyfriend too, an Italian man. He was working here as an expat, so he was from France originally, I suppose. Our interest here at this point started to divide, to separate. Nikita is interested in motorcycles, and I spent time with him riding around our region, and also we traveled to Moscow by bike that summer in 2018. And Anna started to date with another man, and of course she was with him together all the time. That summer in 2018, we somehow stopped seeing each other step by step, month by month, year by year. Beginning 2020, when it was COVID, I broke up with Nikita somehow for 1 or 2 months, I don't remember, in 2020. Then we got together once again, and we started to live in his studio apartment 2020. And Anna and her boyfriend, Italian boyfriend, moved to another European city. I guess it was in 2021, and since 2021 we haven't been chatting with Anya. We didn't argue, we didn't have any quarrels. Somehow it happened, and we just, so to say, broke up with her. And except her, here in this city I had no close friends. I mean, in Togliatti. In Tumen, where I was studying, of course, I had many girlfriends, student girlfriends. I am still in touch with them, but I don't live in Tumen, so I don't meet those girls. And here, except Anna, I haven't got any close friends. I am at home mostly alone if Nikita works, and yes, sometimes it makes me sad, and I know that I have an opportunity to meet my friends, for example, in Tumen. When I'm there, I'm writing to people, let's meet, let's chat. Even if the years pass, it's not the problem to meet with people, even if we haven't talked to each other for years. In taking into consideration our exact relationship with Anna, now it doesn't seem possible to start over some time later, and moreover she is living now abroad, not in Russia. I think sometimes I need to go to some speaking club, or I don't know, maybe English speaking club, or somewhere in any hobbies club to meet new people, to, for example, in reading club, books club. But I am so shy and I'm so close, and I have my personal views, so it's very difficult for me to start sharing interest, sharing views with anyone. I know that there are people like me, I think, that think like me, that do the same things like me, for example, reading, but they are all somewhere far from me, and I don't want to go outside and come to each person and tell him, hey, do you want to be friends with me? I feel lonely sometimes, but I am happy to be with myself. I'm happy to be alone. I'm okay with it. I have no problems to stay alone at home, to read, to watch TV shows, to learn language, so I can entertain myself quite good. So I have a question for you. Was it difficult to get new friends in your 30s, in your 40s, in any age? And how many friends do you have now? I mean close friends, not just mates or neighbors or colleagues, I mean close friends. Tell me please in the comments. So let's see what I bought. There is 6 packs of buckwheat, my favorite porridge, you know it. I like to eat it, and I'm going to cook green beans with buckwheat. Also, I took with a 50% discount this micellar water. The ingredients seem very healthy, and the product itself very healthy. I use it after in the evening after washing my face. Also, I took for coffee a cottage cheese with coconut. And what else? These are strawberries. So this portion is from some Russian city. I think it's from Krasnodar. Before I took the bigger ones, and they were, I guess, from Greece, and they were bigger than these ones. I've come home on time because you see it's raining now. The roads are already wet, and Nikita is on the road right now, so I'm waiting from him a message when he finally arrives at the point where he will work. He is sitting right under the rain, and actually I don't see his second leg. Oh, pure pigeon, I hope you are okay and just washing yourself. I just had laundry, and whoa, what is it? The whole blanket is in some, I don't know what is it. It's some pieces of somewhat. Yeah. Look. What is it? I need to get done this once again, because it's not good, you see. I've started laundry once again. I'm leaving it for 30 minutes, just for half an hour. So guys, let's see what we have here. The second try. Okay, I see some small pieces of this substance, but not much, not like the first time, so I can put it here. And honestly, it became colder now on the balcony, so I don't know when it will dry finally, but let's try to do this. So the oil is shooting right now. I need to add immediately some green beans to my frying pan because it becomes very, very dangerous right now. So let's mix the vegetables a little bit, and I leave this for, I guess, 15 minutes, maybe more. I added some spices and salt and have 13 minutes more. Another summer, guys, and I do my nails again myself. This is because, of course, I first of all try to save money in summer because I do not have many students in summer holidays, and the second reason is that my nails should rest after a long period of making gel, and this looks quite good, I think, not bad.
Пирожное в рюкзак брать?
Давай я в руках. So guys, this is a really wonderful moment here on my channel. It's been 1 year. I've been filming these videos every week. So in my hands you can see a small but very delicious cake which is called kartoshka. In Russian it means potato. It looks like a real potato, you can see. And now Nikita light a candle, and we together with you, with my 3 and something subscribers, make a wish for the next year, because I'm not going to stop filming. I'm going to develop more, and I'm going to produce more, and I'm going to buy a better computer because mine is not good enough for editing the videos. So I have planned a big future for my channel. So thank you for being with me for the whole previous year, and let's go together in the future.
Ау!
Ладно.
Сладковато.
It happened to be not a potato cake, because potato cake is made of cacao and it's brown itself. It's brown itself, but this cake, you see, it's just of beige color, so it's not potato. And it's too sweet. Too much sugar.